English Works, ComSats University Islamabad Vihari Campus.
Friends, do you know about the fishbowl activity?
Yes, the fishbowl activity is a dynamic, interactive, and inclusive discussion technique. The objective of this activity to encourage active listening, empathy, and diverse perspectives. Basically it works as like you see on the screen. 1. Divide participants into two groups, inner circle, 4 to 5, and outer circle, remaining participants, 2. Inner circle sits in the center, outer circle surrounds them, 3. Inner circle discusses a topic or question, 10 to 15 minutes, 4. Outer circle observes, listens, and takes notes, 5. After discussion, outer circle joins inner circle, sharing insights and thoughts, 6. Rotate participants between inner and outer circles. The benefits of fishbowl technique are: fosters active listening, encourages diverse perspectives, develops empathy, promotes critical thinking, and enhances communication skills.